Okay, so here's another update for you. What have I been doing the last few hours? So what we're doing is we're prepping all the wheels with that non-slip paint just on the bead. And you can kind of see what I've done here. Dismounted the tires, cleaned the rims up on the outside, obviously, maintenance inspection. And then I Scotch-Brighted just the bead, right, to rough it up a little bit so the paint's going to adhere to it better. We use just a thin coating of non-slip paint. It adds a little texture to it, right? Kind of like skateboard tape. It's going to help that tire hold to the rim much better. And then when we have the tires mounted by Dunlop at the MotoAmerica event, we'll also request that the tires are mounted with hairspray instead of bead loop. The hairspray acts as a lubricant, so it makes it easier to mount the tire, and then it also is sticky, right, and dries, so it's going to work in conjunction with the grip paint and help the tire not rotate on the rim, prevent chatter, prevent vibration. That's something Max is really sensitive to. You get some other riders, the wheel can move around a little bit. They don't really give a shit. They're just going to keep going. So where I'm at right now, I had a couple of rims that were already prepped. I'm going to mount a set of brand new wet tires that I have here. I have enough rims to do that. We're going to put the brand new wets on the rims. I'm balancing those up right now. That's the rear. I've got the front over there. I like to go to the event with one set of wet tires that are in new condition that are already mounted up, especially when you go to a place like MotoAmerica. If some weather ends up coming in, which it sure seems like it does every time we go there, we're ready to rock and roll quick. All we have to do is put our rain shock on, pull the plugs out of the bottom. The wet map is already in the bike, and then we go ahead and install the wet tires. So within minutes, we can have Max out on track, ready for wet conditions, which, funny enough, are probably his favorite, right? So preparedness is a good thing. All these other rims, I'll mount up one set of takeoffs to roll the other bike. The other rims that I have that are off the bike, we'll just leave those completely dismounted. When we get to the track, we're gonna have some new fresh Dunlop slicks put on, and those will be ready for our first dry session.